AOC 27G11ZE2 Review. Best Budget 27-inch Gaming Monitor for Fast-Paced Games. If you're looking for a 27-inch gaming monitor that prioritizes speed without a premium price, the AOC 27G11ZE2 is an interesting option. But is Full HD still the right choice at 27 inches? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The 27G11ZE2 uses a 27-inch fast IPS panel with a 1920 by 1080 resolution and up to 240 Hz refresh rate. AOC rates it at 1 ms GTG response time and 0.3 ms MPRT, while adaptive sync helps reduce screen tearing and stuttering during gameplay. For competitive games, that high refresh rate is the biggest selling point. The monitor also includes low input lag features, 6 gaming modes, a customizable crosshair, shadow control, and game color adjustments. It supports HDR10 and offers 300 nit rated brightness, along with wide color coverage for more vibrant visuals. Connectivity is fairly simple, with one HDMI 2 port, one DisplayPort 1.4, and a 3.5 mm headphone output. There are no built-in speakers or USB hub, so this is clearly focused on the essentials. The main compromise is resolution. Full HD on a 27-inch screen gives you less pixel density than a 1440p monitor, so text and fine details may look less sharp, especially at close viewing distances. The stand also only offers tilt adjustment, although 100 by 100 VESA mounting gives you the option to use a more flexible stand or arm. So, who should buy it? If your priority is competitive gaming, high frame rates, and fast response rather than maximum image sharpness, the 27G11ZE2 makes a lot of sense. But for productivity, detailed single-player gaming, or a sharper 27-inch image, a 1440p alternative may be the better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what gaming monitor you're considering.